A common question that we get is in regards to the storage of your vehicle and when you're going to put it away for an extended period of time. And there's three main things that I like to pay close attention to, and that's the battery, the fuel, and the tires, because you always want your rig ready when you want to go riding. The first thing I like to do when I put a vehicle into storage is to disconnect the battery, and I disconnect both the positive and the negative terminals. Next, I like to hook up a TRICKLE charger or a battery tender to keep a little bit of voltage flowing through the battery through any amount of time that it's going to be sitting. These type of techniques will make sure your battery is good to go whenever you're ready to get this thing fired back up for riding season. It's not often good to store fuel for long periods of time, especially in cold weather. So what's really crucial is using some good fuel stabilizer when you're going to store your side-by-side or your ATV. And so XPS makes a great stabilizer that you can just put in your tank whenever you're parking your vehicle. And when it's time to start it, your fuel's still good to go. Finally, you want to make sure you don't create flat spots on your tires whenever it's parked for an extended period of time. And so what I like to do is slightly overinflate my tires to make sure they're good and round. Also, I'll check the pressure periodically throughout the storage time just to make sure it's not getting low. That's just a few tips and tricks that I like to do when I'm storing my vehicle. So I want to wish you guys a fun and safe time out on the trails. And if you want more tips and more videos, you can visit canamoffroad.com.